Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can extract an audio from a video on Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. There is the home section, brand kit, template, and right here, you're gonna find your folders. Here, as you can see guys, in the center, you're gonna find create a new video and also create a video with AI. So right now, I'm gonna click on create a new video. So once you click on create a new video, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So right now, the first thing you need to do guys is add your video. So if you want to add it, just go here to the top, click on import media, and then go ahead and choose the video you want to add. So right now I'm gonna add this video. So make sure to select it and then click on open and then it will be added right here. If you want to add it to the timeline, you can either click on this plus icon or you can drag it like this. So right now, once you add your video, right here, make sure you select it in the timeline. Once you select it, just go here to the right side. Then here you're gonna find audio, fade, filters, effects, adjust colors, and lastly, speed. Go ahead and click on audio. And then right here, you're gonna find volume. And under it, you're gonna find detach audio. Go ahead and click on detach audio. And as you can see, guys, right now, the audio is extracted. Now it's downloaded and also it's detached right here in the timeline. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.